Hello friends, today we will going to discuss the next topic in the journalism, that is feature writing. In the last session, we have discussed about the news writing or news story. It is popularly called as a feature story. The news story is the one which is of newness and which is an event. It has to be presented in a timely basis. The next category which you could see in a newspaper or a farm magazine or any in journalism is the next story writing technique is the feature writing. Now we will see in detail about what is feature story or feature writing. The first thing is the feature story is the one which is the presentation of some interesting subject or maybe an object in a popular form. Okay, it deals with maybe a news, but it is not on current basis or timely basis or immediate, but that news should be of seasonal basis and should be interesting to the audience at that particular time. And it may be any topic which is fascinating the readers. Whoever will going to read the news in a newspaper or a magazine, they must get fascinated. That means it is depends upon the needs and interest of the audience or the reader who will going to read the information in a magazine or in a journalism will be included in a feature story. So the feature story may be told as a factual story. The feature story does not mean that we are fascination is nothing but an imagination, nothing will be there. So we are presenting the information which is factual, and it may be sometimes explained as a story or maybe in a different format, and it in interrelation or in a description form or in a discussion form. And its main purpose is to tell something to the people which is needed to know. People has to know about that thing, then it only it is called as a feature story. In a feature story, the author is having a full freedom to contribute his own imagination using a fascinating words, presenting in detailed format with certain examples and connecting with the other situations or the related situation when compared with that of the news story. Now we will see some of the sources of feature. There are different sources of feature. The first one is search for a story idea. Whenever we are a good writer or a writer want to write about a feature writing, he must always search for a story or the idea which is happening around him, or maybe based on his reading or based on his experience. And the next one is observe with a purpose. Always whenever we are visiting to somewhere, some people are talking with some people or visiting some place or some functions, we should observe with certain purpose why it is like this. And whenever it is possible, you make note of it, because the note is important, because you should not forget it and you should not scratch your head when you come back and remember what I was thinking about when I visited that place. And whenever you heard something situation from your friends or from your colleagues or from your neighbors or in a group discussion or maybe in a TV, whenever you are reading some stories, some books, some magazines, there also you can get an idea of writing a feature. Based on that, they can write a story about it. And the next one is you should look for something beyond the obvious. See, usually the obvious means something which is happening is nothing but a news story. When you want to write a feature, you have to think beyond that. And for that, there is a need for insight of the people about insight of an author about a people, place, things, or the event which is happening surrounding us. So this is also acts as a source of feature news for you. And the next one is you should develop interest in various subjects, and you must have a knowledge about variety of activities. See, whenever you want to write a feature story, you must be having a knowledge about the different activities, and you must have interest for the various subjects. Now we will see what are the techniques of writing a feature. The first one is recreating a historical event. That does not mean that whenever we are writing a feature story, we are creating some events which has happened before. For example, whenever it comes, we will write some feature story related to Alexander, how he has expedited India or the world, how his confidence was, at last what it was resulted. And that we are relating with the present condition. Always whenever you are writing a feature story, that must commenting on social and economic condition. Whenever we are writing that, the terrace gardening is very useful, which is useful for the farmers. or it is helpful for the household to get a income from that. When I am writing about the terrace gardening, I should give about what its impact on social and economic condition. And the next one is the mixing different opinions on a subject. See, whenever I'm writing a feature, I should not present my own idea. I have to present the different opinion of the people from a different areas, maybe from a house. So, for example, I told about the terrace gardening. You ask from the point of view of a housewife, from children, from neighbor, from a grandparents of that house, and everybody or somebody who are following it. So from the scientist also. So you have to include the opinion from the different people about a particular subject, and always presenting a factual account of subject. Whenever you are presenting the information, it should be factual. It should not be imaginative. Whenever you are presenting it by terrace gardening, you can earn 10,000 rupees per month. You have to give it a factually rather than writing imaginative numbers. So whenever you are telling that, you have to give a factual information and data about that. And the next comes is the different types of feature. When we read a newspaper or a magazine, we will going to find a different types of articles which will be presenting there, that can be broadly classified into two types. One is the news story, another one is the feature story. So news story I have covered already and told what will be it. And the next one comes is the feature story. When we are telling about the feature story, we can classify them into more than 30 categories. But here I am covering major the types of feature stories in this session. The first thing is the news feature. News feature is nothing but that story that are having a newsworthiness. That means the newsworthiness does not mean that the information has to be presented immediately. It may be presented after some days, maybe 1 week or 15 days, with certain explanation about it. For example, today there was a Pulwama attack, or Uri, they have done a Uri operations. So immediately we will get that the Uri operation has been done. After 1 week or 15 days, we can able to see that how it has been done, and previously how many times it has been done, and detailed information and author contribution, how much it is impacting on the political and socio-economic situation of a country. Everything will be explained here. That is what is the news feature. And the next one is the special event feature. The special event feature is nothing but a connecting with the news about which is dealing with a certain subject or with situation, certain situations only. For example, the special event feature means we were remembering some of the special events. For example, the anniversary, death, birth, battle, certain battles we have added. Here I have given an example of Mother's Day. See, usually we used to celebrate the Mother's Day in May 9th. So we will going to remember it. And on that day, you can able to see in the newspaper, there is a certain number of features about that. Like that only, whenever the anniversary comes on Bombay attack. So again, that related to that, the information will come in the newspaper. So like that, based on certain anniversaries, battles, birth and death, the information will be given is called as a special event feature. And the next comes is the historical feature. The historical feature is nothing but we are reviewing the past incident and evaluating it in a present or the current situation and the future impact of the event. So here the past, present and future will be presented about a particular historical events which has taken place. For example, here I have given here the Dandi March, which is taken by Gandhi. So in the Dandi March was done by a Gandhi years before, but still whenever that day comes, we will write what happened because of that, what is the situation now, and what will happen in the future. So every impact we are presenting in that article, we explaining past, present, and a future. That is what is called as a historical feature. And another good example I have given is the Panipat War. So like that, so many Kurukshetra Meka. So all these events will be explained whenever that situation has come. That type of article is called as a historical feature. And the next comes is the news background feature. As the name itself indicates, it is a momentous news story. That is, background information about a particular news will be given on a chronological basis to help the audience to understand the entire story. For example, when Corona enters India, see, everybody was knowing about that Corona, but they don't know how it has been started and what is the impact of this, what is the after impact, everything will not be there. So after a few days, all the details has come about how the Corona has come from China, some market due to some bad So many things has come due to animals and all those things. So these are the things which are presented in the news background feature. Here we are giving the background information of a certain news in a chronological order to make the audience to get a better understanding about a particular story. And the next comes is the personality sketch or a profile feature. Here we are going to explain about a well-known personalities and focusing on their contribution and achievement. That is, for example, whenever an election comes, you could be able to see that whenever an election comes, they will going to explain about the contribution of different political leaders or maybe some the people representative, what is their contribution, what they have done. And sometimes apart from that, the personality sketch is also from some of the prominent personalities like Mother Teresa. They may come across like that. And some of the people who are contributed for the development of the society, maybe sometimes about the film actors, IAS officers, so many people it has comes. So that is what is called as a personality sketch or a personality profile feature. And the next comes is the human interest story. Human interest stories are some unusual, humorous story or offbeat stories. It is about particular incidents or the personality to help to keep the life perspective. For example, routinely we used to read the news, what is happening there, accident, fight, health, and the political issues, everything we are reading around us, which is in the newspaper. But something we want to change, offbeat from the regular news, that type of news is called as a human interest story. You could able to see the human interest stories like about different gardening, vertical gardening, terrace gardening, flower gardening, like that news will become. Child care, health care, hygienity, maybe about different cooking aspects or the dishes, how you can make. All these type of news are called as a human interest stories and that are presented in a newspaper. And the next comes is the descriptive feature. Descriptive feature is about the feature story or the information about the places to be visited or it has to be seen or events to be participated or enjoy as spectators. That type of news will be presented here. For example, you could able to see that some of the authors will going to write about a particular tourist places, maybe about some sceneries or maybe some tourist places like Sun Temple or maybe Dal Lake or maybe Egyptian pyramids or Eiffel Tower, like that. They may write about all those things, how you could able to visit and what are the importance, how you can reach the roadmap, everything will be given, where you can get the accommodation, what is the right time to visit it. So all this type of information is called as, or this type of article is called as a descriptive feature. And the next comes is the photo feature. The photo feature means here writing will be less, but the photo will be more. Here the stories are presented in terms of photos. That means series of pictures will be given and these pictures will going to tell you the real story, what it is going on. So with that is called as a photo feature. Here the story is presented in a photo with a little write-up, or maybe some cases only photos will be there. In some cases with a series of photos, little write-up will be there. For example, we could able to see that type of stories like some comics or some the story will be there, some cartooning will be there, a series of cartooning will be there. Here I have given, this is a story explained with certain feature, how the donkey will be foolish by the fox. So this is what the story which is given in a featured photos, which could be easily understood by seeing the series of photos. Along with these photos, we can add some title and we can make it more easily understandable by adding some few little write-up only, not too much. That is what is called as a photo feature. And next comes is the sidebar feature. Sidebar feature means in every newspaper, we used to have a sidebar. It is a small place which has been given for the author to write on a prominent news. That includes the main news. Actually, that is a very interesting news. Whenever you read a newspaper, always try to read that sidebar news because it will be used to be very main news and always impacting news only. It usually includes usually, for example, if there is a major flood, now it is cyclone is going on and you may come across or you may interview the persons who are having the impact of this cyclone, maybe the some who have experienced a flood, or some whose boat are submerged in a sea, and all those things. So that interview will be presented there. And usually I used to read, whenever I used to read the newspaper, that about the story about the flying saucers, some important that is very impacted stories will be there in a sidebar. So major the flood interview with the refugees, family, background stories, and cause for these, all these type of news are presented in a sidebar news stories. And next comes is the personal experience feature. It may be written based on the personal experience of the author. For example, I have traveled, or I have taken a one trekking in a deep forest without anybody, with so many experience. I have reached to see the peak of the mountain with a thick forest with all the animals and all. I will write whatever I have experienced. That means it is written by personal experience feature will be written by an author or a reporter, by person himself who has undergone that experiences. For example, I have given here an example that I have traveled the whole world or a country with that parachute, hot air balloon, which we used to call. What is my experience? What are all the constraints I have faced, and how I enjoyed, how it has fascinated me. This type of information is presented in a personal experience features. And the next comes is the service feature. The service feature is mainly on how to story. That is nothing but how I could able to avail that service, what are all the procedures I could able to follow. That is what is called as a service feature. This is a popular feature as a newspaper tries to get closer to the needs and interest of their readers. To fulfill the needs and interests, this type of feature play an important role in a newspaper. Here I have given an example of Arogya Setu app. It is mainly because nowadays every people are striving to get the COVID vaccination. So they are trying to get it. So many people don't know how to register for that, how to get a slot and all those things. So they have given this. You can enter through this Arogya Setu app, or you can go to the website and all. Everybody may not know, but in the paper, they will going to give whole procedure, how you can reach there and how can you register, how you can get your slot for getting a vaccination. So this is what is called as a service feature. And the next comes is the interview feature. It is nothing but a portrait of dialogue between a reporter and another person whom I am interviewing. It is usually done with the public figure or a celebrities. It is like a question answer session. What we are telling an interview. Many times you could able to see that interview has been conducted with some the film actors or some maybe public figure or some celebrities about certain experience, their education, how if they come across the COVID situation, what is their experience, how it could be taken care. It is a normal interview type of the feature where the author will be or the writer will be asking question and other public figure will going to answer to a particular question. It is type of a question and a answer session. And next comes is the narrative feature. As the name itself indicates, it is like a short story. Here they are going to narrate a particular event or a situation or a particular story by one by explaining different in a different way. That means we are going to put our imaginary idea in that is unfolding scenes, utilization of the description, characterization and the plot. That is nothing but we are introducing different characters in that. We are explaining imaginative words. For example, when I entered to the forest, it was a cool breeze which is flowing towards me, and the sounds of birds, insects, so many things that may not be there, but I am using all those descriptive words, and also I am unfolding one by one the scene which is happening. So you could able to see this type of narrative stories in the newspaper as a series of what I can tell, like that serials or the series of stories which will come. Continue in the next episode. Continue in the next step. This thing. That type of story is called as a narrative feature. Narrative feature is the one in which the story is subdivided into different categories, and every time it was unfolded one by one. Usually in a Kannada magazine, we used to get it as a Dharavai or something like that. The stories used to come. These type of small stories are called as a narrative feature. And the next comes is the adventurous feature. As the name itself indicates, it is about the story about your adventure that you have taken up in your real life. Maybe climbing a mountain, a woman who is fighting around the world for the justice, as it is their main aim of their life. That is what is called as a adventurous feature. And next comes is the problem feature. The problem feature is, it is about reading and research of problem thoroughly. For example, what is the impact of COVID-19 on agriculture marketing? See, because of the COVID, and now also the farmers are struggling to market their produce and to get the input for their farm or for the cultivation. This is what is called as a problem feature. They are going to write certain articles about what are the problems faced due to this COVID lockdown and to the different sectors. Here I have given on agriculture marketing, maybe on laborers, maybe on household workers, maybe on business, maybe on Indian economy, whatever it may be. So that type of problem will be narrated in a article. That type of article is called as a problem feature. Next comes is the lifestyle feature. As the name itself indicates, it is about the changing fashion in the lifestyle. That is the trend in your fashion or in your lifestyle. This all used to be seen in a business magazine to carry out the carry the lifestyle feature. For example, changing of fashion or changing of shoe trend, nail polish application, hairstyle, so many things will come. So even maybe jewelry, fashion designing, everything will come. So this is what is called as a lifestyle feature. And next comes is the cultural feature. The cultural feature, the best name for this cultural feature is about the gossips. See, you can able to see that it includes the acting, gossips, production, mega success, mega loss, utter flop, everything. What are the characterization? All these stories are also presented in the news. This is called as a culture feature. And the next comes is the high-tech feature. As the name itself indicates, it is a high-tech means some of the information which is related with the high-tech wonderlands. That is about the computer, multimedia, how IT works, how it contributes for the making the work very easy. How could we can able to achieve it? That is nothing but a high-tech feature. There are several articles which has come in that they have given information on the sensors or multimedia application and all those things. And the next comes is the business feature. The business feature, as the name itself indicates, it is focusing on the money market, stock market, bond market, corporate crazy players, all those things. What is the investment they have made and which company has taken over another company? What is the stock market situation? How you should do the stock exchange there, or how you can purchase bonds and all those things. So all this information will be given. That is called as a business feature. Next comes is the career feature. As the name itself indicates, about your career. When we were studying, maybe still it is coming, that is employment news. The employment newspaper, which is mainly focusing on where and all you can make up your career. Apart from that also, in a regular newspaper, we could able to see that in which area you can start a career, which could be helpful you to get into a job or get into an earning. It is a good breeding ground for the beginners. For example, they may encourage you to go for a that is catering business. They may encourage you to go for a production of small units, or you can take up an entrepreneurship, or you can join to an army, you can join to a navy, you can join to banking sector. Everything they will going to explain here in a career feature. It is mainly for you to settle down through your career. Next one is commemorative feature. The commemorative feature, as the name itself indicates, it is we are recalling some historical events or which is unforgettable events. For example, the Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, all these things. Whenever the Independence Day is there, Gandhi Jayanti is there, Children's Day is there, Teachers Day is there, Republic Day is there. All these events you could able to see in the newspaper that there is a big article or the feature article will come, which is explaining about the different aspects has been done during that time and how it is impacted on a people and how we are enjoying all those things, which is related with our, they're going to relate it with our present life or a situation. That is called as a commemorative feature. Next comes is the health and media feature. See, as the name itself indicates, it is including about our health and it is including about our biotechnology and other medical fields, how it is helpful for us in maintaining our health and also other media. For example, that is yoga, dieting, eye care, heart care, or your exercises, or it may be related with your walking, all those things, how to control your sugar. So all these informations and all these things will be presented in a newspaper, that is called as a health or media feature. And next comes is the numerical feature. This is about the astrology. Here, the name itself is given is a numerical feature, which includes your astrology also related to astrological aspects, and it is also on magic of numbers, that is numerology, and which can be intriguing, especially in a culture that is attached to astrology and numerology. Usually, whenever you open a newspaper, every day you can find out that it days at astrology, that day, weekly. If it is a Amavasya or a new moon day, what will happen? Today is a Shankara Jayanti, what is the importance of that? That means it is related with the astrology. If Chandra is in that house, what will happen? This type of article also we could able to see in the newspaper, that type of numerical feature, that is called as a numerical feature related with the astrology and numerology. Next comes is the overview feature. Overview feature is nothing but a progress in any discipline over a last 5 or 10 years or even a 50 years ago. This is what is updating our knowledge. Here I have given example of the medical field. See how previously Shushruta used to do the surgery. He is a father of surgery, and who has started the surgery, and what is the now, the present situation of a surgery. Over a 50 years, what are all the changes has taken place? Still we are remembering when you had a kidney stone in before 10 or 15 years, they used to cut open and remove the stone. Nowadays, from outside only, laser treatment only, they can able to blast the stone, and without any harm, it could be treated. See, like this, over a period of time, what are all the changes has taken place in a particular area or the discipline, just to have a knowledge about that discipline, this type of story has been written. That type of story is called as a overview feature story. So this is about, I have presented about 22 types of feature story. Apart from this also, you are having lot of different types of feature story, which could be classified as a sports. So many things are there. So it is depending upon that. But these are the major types of feature story we could able to see in a newspaper or in a magazine. So what are the steps involved in writing a feature story? First thing is the selection of a subject. Whenever you are selecting a subject, the subject should be definite. This should not be general nature. And always, whenever you are writing for a feature, you always concentrate on one or two aspects rather than mixing up all the aspects. When you are going to too many aspects, you will get confused and you cannot able to write or give justice to the information which you want to present. So always give or limit your writing to one or two aspects. And the next one is always you give a special angle to the given subject depending on the purpose for which you are writing the feature. For example, if I am writing a feature for the benefit of the youth, how these things are helpful. For example, believing a god or making a puja, or exercise or eating the traditional food rather than the junk food, how it is influencing on your health. That feature will be written for the youth, means you should write in that perspective and give an angle towards the youth, how it is useful for them to maintain their health for future. And the next comes is the feature should consider the type of paper for which they are writing. See, each and every paper is having its own editorial ethics or the paper ethics. Based on that, you have to manage and write the feature suitable to that paper, and select the subject based on the availability of the material. I want to write some article on something which is unbelievable. So you won't be having some reference material to give a factual information. Then it is useless. Always select a topic in which you are having a sufficient information or material to present in your article. That is called as a, that is very important aspects you have to consider when you go for selecting a subject for writing a feature. And the next comes is the collection of material. Once you select a subject, then you have to collect the material for writing the feature. So a writer is to present the information for the readers in an interesting way. So whenever you are presenting information which is already existing, but with a certain interesting way, you are presenting it. So whenever you are want to make your article more interesting, try to find out the information from a different sources. The different sources are, one is the book. See, you are having a lot of books on a particular subject and you can read it and get the information. And the next comes is the newspaper clippings. See, if you read the newspaper daily, you will get a lot of information on that. And the next comes is the article from various journals. If you read so many weekly, monthly, fortnightly magazines will be there, you read it and you will going to get the various information in that. And ideas from their own mind. Based on your experience, based on your exposure to different situations, you may get the idea for writing the news article, feature article, and you can get that information also. Sometimes to write the feature story, you may have to contact some people to get the information on that. At that time, you have to conduct the personal information. So in that time, you may have to go for interviewing the people. Go and discuss with the people and get the information directly. Once you collect all this material from the different sources, you must be very clever in organizing the things in a well-planned, systematic, and in an efficient manner. Once the material is collected and once it is organized, next comes is the blueprint. The blueprint is also called as a skeleton of a feature story or a feature writing, which shows a complete information, or we can say in a common language, it is like a draft, okay, which shows a broad scope and boundaries of the feature. And it gives a broad guideline what you have written in your feature. And once the blueprint is ready, next comes is the style. This blueprint helps us to do a correction or limit our and put the boundaries for our feature. Once everything is over, the style of writing is very, very important. Usually, the style of writing should be medium. Always don't write in a hi-fi or don't be in a lower. Always have a medium to reach the majority of the population or the reader. And how the writer reacts to the various situation, place, and personality is very, very essential. Whenever something comes, for example, I told as soon as I enter a forest, a snake comes in front of me. See, this is what you have written. So when the snake comes in front of you, if a snake comes, means you have to explain it in your own way, how you reacted. So that is very, very important. You simply write snake came in front of me, I ran away. That is not the way of writing. What and all you have experienced. Suddenly my heart beating has raised. I started sweating and my all hairs are becoming straight. These are the things how you are going to react to a particular situation and how you are going to write and putting your own personal effort or creativity in that. And it should be colorful, narrative, and imaginative. Whenever you are presenting the things, it should be colorful, means it is not red, green, blue, white, not the color. Your words should be colorful and always narrate it. See, when you are reading a magazine or when you are reading a novel, some novels are very interesting because they have used the words which are colorful, narrative, and imaginative, which makes us very interesting to read or go further. Some of them are we get bored and we will stop there only. This is how you have to put your word. And always write a shorter paragraphs. And it should be depends upon the column of the feature given by a magazine or a paper for you. And important should be clear and simple writing rather than writing a complex words. Once the style, blueprint, material, subject, everything over, you have to go for reviewing. Reviewing is, in another word, we can say that proofreading. So you have to correct your draft or the blueprint, what you are having. Once the completion is over, you should review the draft. It is necessary to, if any necessity is there, you rewrite it, rearrange it, and make it very interesting, and it should satisfy your requirement. Always you should have your self-criticism. Always criticize your writing, where I have gone wrong, what wrong thing I have done, how it has to be improvised. Everything you should personally criticize and improvise your article. And always check for the facts, figures, and the question, grammatical errors, spellings, punctuation style, and give an appropriate caption. Once everything is over, at last you have to give a caption rather than giving in the beginning. So always you try to check everything. Grammar, words, spelling, comma, full stop, abbreviations, everything you should check and review it. Well, these are the important steps you have to follow while writing a feature story. Next, we will see what are the factors which affecting a feature writing. The first thing is curiosity. Whenever being an author, I must be very curious enough to write something which is unusual and which is happening around us, which makes human very interested to read about it. Next comes is the integrity. Whenever I am writing an article, I should have an curiosity, should club with the integrity, then only it makes very efficient. Integrity is nothing but I have to look into both positive and negative side. Don't be biased. Don't consider any personal biases or the personal opinion should not come. I have to explain it according to the fact without considering my friend, my enemy, all those things. And next comes is the ability. That is nothing but the ability of an author, how effectively he can use his word, creativity in explaining the things, how he going to put or make his article more colorful. That is what is the ability of an author. And the next one is the confidence. The confidence is very, very essential. Without a confidence, nobody can write. See, even though I am a very good, having a very good writing skill and all those things, if I'm not confident, I cannot put my skill in a paper or I cannot bring it outside. So one must have a self-confidence. And whenever we want to say that the author is a very good, successful, the feature writer, they must have a certain skill. The first thing is flair for good story. That is nothing but always, whenever you go out to see some situation or meet some people, always have an idea what I can write, what I can take good thing from them, which could act as a story for me and which I can present in a magazine. That means you should have that flair and always have an eye on market. Look around you, open your eyes and see what is happening in day-to-day life and what is going on, what I can do with this, what I can write on this. So this you should have that. And the next one is talent for effective organization of the material. So this is very, very essential. I can get a material from a different source or from a different people. See, I'm having a 50 articles now. I have to make it into a single. That means I must have that efficiency or talent to organize all this information from a different source in a meaningful and attractive way. And you must have a writing skill. This is very, very essential. When it comes to a writing part, one must have a better writing skill. See, I hope you have understood what is a feature story, and I hope you have read a lot of features and the different categories of feature writing, which I have presented in my lecture. And I hope from tomorrow onwards, whenever you read a newspaper, you will going to identify which type of feature it is, and you will going to name them as well. And I hope you try to write feature also. Thank you so much.